Welcome to Settlers Square, an Alex Meisner community located just north of Cedar City in Enoch, Utah. At Settlers Square, homeowners can choose from move-in ready spec homes, or work alongside the Alex Meisner team to select a home site, floor plan, and design package to create the perfect semi-custom home. When building a semi-custom home at Settlers Square, you will choose an existing plan from those available within the Alex Meisner community and customize the look and feel of the home from selections available at the Alex Meisner Construction Design Center. The very first step in the home building process is your buyer orientation meeting. Once you have decided on Settlers Square, you will sit down with the community sales agent, Jenny Vossler of ERA Realty Center. Here, you will select your lot and floor plan, discuss potential upgrades, and schedule your preliminary plan meeting. The next step is the preliminary plan and pre-construction meeting. For this meeting, you will meet face-to-face with the builder, Alex Meisner, at the AMC Design Center in Cedar City. You will have the opportunity to speak directly with Alex about your floor plan and lot. He will work with you to ensure the plan fits your personal wants and needs. Following the preliminary plan meeting, you will schedule the final plan sign-off meeting. You will meet with Alex again at the AMC Design Center to go over the changes discussed at the first meeting and sign off on your final floor plan. Once your contract is completed and your plan is signed off, your home will be scheduled for excavation. When the framing of your home is nearing completion, the AMC Design Center will contact you to schedule your interior selections meeting. You will select cabinetry, flooring, countertops, sinks, a backsplash, faucets, and more. This is one of the homeowner's favorite parts of the home building process. Throughout the entire process, our sales agent, Jenny, sends weekly updates and progress photos, ensuring that all parties are in the loop. Once your home has reached substantial completion, you will schedule a preliminary walkthrough. Here, you will create a punch list of items you would like touched up. The AMC team will address these punch list items. Then you will complete your final walkthrough and sign off that your new home is complete. At this point, you will sign closing documents and the title company will record. This is the best step in the home building process, because it's when the homeowner receives keys to their beautiful new home at Settlers Square. For those homeowners purchasing a pre-built home, once going under contract, they too will begin receiving weekly updates on their new home. They will follow the same walkthrough and sign-off process once their home has reached substantial completion. No matter which route you take to home ownership at Settlers Square, you're sure to receive a personalized experience resulting in a stunning, quality-built home with unmatched value. Contact our sales agent, Jenny Vossler of ERA Realty Center today for more information on Settlers Square or to schedule an appointment to tour the community. She can be reached at 435-559-1260.